So if you think you've seen it all, because I've been having a lot of discussion, I've made a lot of video about the Guinness World Record. If you think you've seen or had it all, then I just want you to know that you have not even seen yet, because there's a lot of update I have for you about the Guinness World Record this time around, not about the cookathon, but the new record-breaking attempt that a lot of Nigerians are coming up with these days. Please watch this video to the end, as we'll be having an in-depth discussion about what Nigerians are doing today about this Guinness World Record. And hopefully, like we pray, they do not get us banned or tear the book. Yeah, watch this video to the end, click on the subscription button, like this video, feel free to share, and drop your comment and opinion if you feel they are doing the right thing or they are taking this to another level that might affect everyone who ends up trying to break a record. That seems rational. So now let's move on to today's discussion. Why we were talking about. But before we move on, big ups to Chef Adiola. Yes, we spoke about her in our previous video. If you've not seen it, kindly go and watch it. Like we always say, like I always said, Hilda Baci started it in Nigeria. She was the one that reminded everybody about this. It wasn't really a thing, but now the minute Hilda did it, everybody wants to do it. Everybody wants to try breaking one thing or the other. But the only three people that has done the cookathon, the people that have done this cookathon are basically just three. That's Hilda Baci, Chef Dami, and now Chef Adiola. Then big congratulations to her, because she's done with her own cookathon. Yes, she has completed 150 hours, and we are waiting and hoping to get feedback. Any more update from Chef Adiola's side of Guinness World Record, I'll be bringing it firsthand to your deck. So stay updated. That's the reason why I said click on the notification button, because you need to get notified, because there's a whole lot to say. There's a whole lot that is going on at this point. So now let's move into the basics of today's discussion. We're talking about three or four people, or five or so, that has come out with different record-breaking title and attempt, and a lot of them have started already. Now, in my previous video, kindly watch this. Guinness World Record has indirectly, people are saying, I'm sure they are talking about Nigerians, because social media these days, everything goes viral, everything go out there. Somebody can be in America and we're hearing what is happening in Nigeria because of the nature of the new media. So Guinness World Record last week made us they put a statement that you should probably ensure that you confirm your title before embarking on any kind of record-breaking attempt. And so far, we do not know if Nigerians have seen that or adhere. All of them just want to break record. A lot happening right now. I do not know if Hilda did not decide to, break a record, if they would not remember. Well, Guinness have said this: confirm your title. Nobody's saying you should not break any record. We're old enough. The sky is big for everybody, but ensure you are doing the right thing. I don't know if a lot of them are doing it for clout. I'm not sure. But if you are doing it to get recognized, please follow the right step. I've stated it in a lot of our videos. If you've not seen our videos, kindly go and watch the video, to see what I said about the rules, regulation, and the statement that Guinness Record have said. You need to confirm your title, apply, get approved to go ahead before going ahead. Don't just wake up and say, oh, I want to do this, doing flyer and whatsoever. Now, today's discussion will be about all the people that have decided to break numerous records. Yeah. The first, we'll be talking about a lady that has come out to say that she wants to braid and weigh 50 people. So if you want to make your hair, rush down to where she is to make your hair for free. She's weaving and braiding. Yes, the weaving might be Ghana weaving, I don't know, but basically it all has to do with braiding, attachment using. So if you're sitting at home now, you do not know what to do with your hair, run there. We are hoping, and any more updates about how we'll let you know. We have updates about Lady Joycey Ijoma that did the massage marathon. Any updates also will also get to your decks. We do not know if Guinness World Record would confirm or skip hers, because she actually fainted. So if you've not watched my previous video about her, go to our page and search for the video. You will see it and see what actually happened to her from the beginning to the point where she actually collapsed. Well, moving on, somebody else has come out to say, her name is Big Trish. That's what they call her. She has come up with her own the first lady, she named her own braidathon. Everybody's using the braidathon, ton marathon, whatsoever, but the braid marathon, that's what she's using. Now this lady, the next lady, is Big Trish. She has come out to do her own live-athon. According to her, she stated that Hilda Baci actually inspired her to do what she is doing right now. And because of the love she have for Instagram, that is the reason why she's doing her own live at all. Now, for those who do not know the concept of her own, actually, the lady has said she will be live. Yeah, she'll be going live. And she stated that because of her love for Instagram, she has decided to use the app to break her own record. And she will be live for 125 hours. So if you do not know about this record, you can go and check her up on her page. Her name is Big Trash, and see what she's up to. Yeah, because she was being interviewed and she explained the reason for what she wants to do. Well, I hope she has her data ready, battery, lights, everything complete, so she won't go offline, because we've had so many people break certain rules that seem to be the first. Her Hilda own, she broke some rules, and some hours were deducted from hers. Chef Dami was not recognized because she broke a lot of rules. Chef Adiola, we don't have any updates yet, because she just concluded, and we're all waiting on Guinness World Record. Whatever they say, we'll be bringing it to you directly. And now this lady Big Trash, she's going live for 125 hours. We're waiting on that. Now, moving on to the next person that has decided to sing. Yeah, this is not a lady this time. And this time, it's the opposite gender. A man has come out that he will be singing for 200 hours. Yes, he will be singing praise and worship for 200 hours. And he has started already. He's on live right now. He's singing and worshiping God. So you do not know about it, rush down to, check it out. Yeah, in case of those that want to see what is going on, you can go and check it out. You see him, he has started already. Now, for the next person, we have two. The other one, we'll talk about it the last one, but for now, there's a lady that has started her own marathon, and this time around, she is washing. Yes, I like this lady. She does speak hours that will not cut her neck. Yeah, she don't want to faint, because washing also, she's training her hand. She has decided to wash for 12 hours. Yes, and for those who do not know, she has started already. She's washing, and she just picked 12 hours. She don't want to kill herself. Very funny, but big ups to her. And now the last one, a lady has come out with a name and a record-breaking attempt that is really annoying a lot of people, because they're saying, this is getting too much. She has decided to do an explicit video. Yes, I cannot mention the name due to the rules and regulation of YouTube and Facebook and all, but when I mean explicit, you should understand what I'm talking about. And she said she'll be doing it for a long time. Yeah, so for those who do not know about hers, there's a lady that has come up with her own record-breaking attempt, and it will be an explicit video. And Nigerians are not happy with this, because it is now getting annoying at this point, because not wanting to get to the point whereby our own is too much, because we can sometimes overdo things. But these are all the people that have decided to break record. Yeah, they've decided to break record. One with the braider, the ones that want to go live, the singer, the washer, and the explicit lady. Yeah, they are the 5 people that have decided to break their record. Chef Adiola is done, and whatever update we have on all of them, whatever Guinness World Record says about Chef Adiola, will bring it first hand to you. And whatever update we're having with the Big Trash, the lady who is braiding, the man that is singing, and the explicit lady, we will bring to your decks. Yeah, so click on the notification button to get informed, to get notified, because I have more and more juicy stories coming your way. Thank you once again, and do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section if you feel like I said, it is too much, or you feel, it's all good, it's all fine, let them do whatever they want to do. The sky is big enough to accommodate everybody. Well, it's up to you. And do not forget to like this video as well. Click on the subscription button. Feel free to share. So I will be seeing you in our next video. Thank you once again to our amazing and beautiful listeners and viewers. I remain your host, Ocha Marachi. Do have a wonderful day.